Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove and replace the water and dust tank on the Roborock Q7 Max. So in order to do this, first you'll need to open the cover. It's the other side from the buttons, this one right here. So simply pull it up like this. Now right here there's a tank and dust collector. So simply press on this button right here. There's also a place for your finger to put right here. So just follow my motion like that and simply pull it up.
Dustbin and water tank combo unit removed.
You should hear the information that you just removed it. And right here you'll be able to empty it or add some water. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.